Hi, my name is Leafia Badani, and this is my interactive advanced concept presentation 8, and this is the kinetic sand experiment. So for this experiment, I have a bowl, but it's like a Pyrex container. I'll be putting the kinetic sand and mixing it in. Then I have some decorative filler sand. It's basically the same thing, but just maybe a little bit finer. But that's all I could find. I have some dish soap, some cornstarch, and a cup of water to add slowly as I mix everything together. So the science behind this experiment is that kinetic sand is mixed with a polymer or micromolecule, and the polymer is a long repeating chain of molecules that contain carbon and hydrogen. So, cornstarch is a natural occurring polymer, and when it's mixed with dish soap and water, it's a suspension for the sand. And that's how it will turn in from a liquid to liquid or solid sand whenever pressure is applied or it's released. The cornstarch and sand will be spread throughout the liquid, and the water will be trapped in starch chains to cause the starch and sand to be suspended. The force of squishing the mixture feels like a solid, and when it's released, it goes back to liquid form. Too much water will cause everything to break apart. It's a non-Newtonian fluid due to the viscosity changing when pressure is applied. So that's the gist of the experiment. So I'm going to start off with a cup of sand. Just angle this down a little bit more. And then I will need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So I'll add my cornstarch, and then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of dish soap. All right. I'm going to mix that together. Probably a lot easier in a bowl, but I don't have one currently. All right. So I'm just going to add some water little by little. Just going to use my hands. I think it will be a lot easier. I might add more sand. Add in some more cornstarch also. It's turning out more liquidy than it should be. That looks about the consistency that Kinetic sand would be, but as you can see, as you squish it, it feels like solid, but it's still liquid. So yeah, that was my experiment. Thank you.